Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to create a Discord JavaScript bot using the node.js engine built by Google for Chrome. But it's a pretty much simple tutorial on how to get started with your first basic bot. And it's updated one. I'm going to show you guys on how to access the documentation, make a configuration file and all that stuff. So let's just get started and get right to it. So first what you you would want to do is go to Google and type in download node JavaScript, which is the main part of the file, and just download the LTS version. I already have it installed on my computer, as you can see. It's right here. And alright, so what you guys would want to do is, now after installing, you guys would want to you know install the modules and stuff. But let's first see what we are actually trying to achieve here. As you can see here, I have defined a variable Discord, which is called Discord, which is requiring a Discord.js module, and we are also calling the client function from the Discord module and requiring a config file along with two events, message and ready, which will later be used to execute trigger important functions of the bot. So ready function executes when the script starts and sends a connection via the WebSocket to Discord app, and if it's successful, it will without spelling out an error, it will console log them, and the message event will execute when it basically receives a message, and that's how it works out. And anyway, and client.login will be used to login by the bot using token from the configure file. And if you guys are wondering, the configure file is right here. It's pretty much simple. As you can see, it has a token prefix. This is my token right here. And to get started with your bot application, you guys would want to first create an application. I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually do that. So I'm going to start over, create an application. Just name it anything you like, anything. Click on the bot tab after you saved it, build a bot, yes, do it, and there you go. Reveal the token and copy it. Then we go to this again, there you go, save the file, and there you go. As you can see, I already defined the prefix and config here to make it more easier. And you guys may have seen a lot of tutorials, but in this tutorial I'm going to use something called switch statements. Google it up. It's pretty much faster and efficient than these if statements you see. So it's pretty much simple. All you do is switch true, curly braces. So we're going to make a simple command which will spill out the channel ID. So what we want to do is case is basically like if statement. So to make the job more easier, just imagine that you're using a if statement, and yeah, so point content, MSG point content will check for the content of a specific user. Like for example, if I type hi, it will check for hi and all that stuff. So let's see, if MSG point content equals to prefix plus test. So in my case, if I type exclamation mark plus test, for example, test, it will then detect the message content of the message I have sent and compare it using the case statement, and it will return true if it's true. So if it's equal, basically triple equal sign. So let's see, so what we are actually trying to achieve is to send the channel ID to the channel. So what we want to do is first go to the documentation. The link will be in below. description, I mean. So everything will be in description. And um, let's see, let's find the channel class. There you go. And ID, the unique ID of the channel. So basically all we need to do is include point ID at the right side of the property. So but now the real question is how we are going to actually send the message. So that's a great question, but we are going to look for another class which is text channel, and it should have the send property. There you go. There's also basic examples of how you can actually do it. So in our case it can be like as MSG is our main parameter, we need to access the send function inside the MSG variable, and in order for you to do that it's pretty much simple. So all you do is MSG point channel point send property, and backticks we need to use literal strings, so search that up as well. So um, channel ID is there you go. So now we have the so far break, and let's run the script. Save. So if you guys run the script, make sure to cd to the directory where the script is in. So in my case it's in the documents folder, as it's much easier to manage. So first what you guys want to do is install the discord.js module. I already have it installed, but anyway, here goes nothing. npm install discord.js. There you go. So now it's time to run the script, and in our case my file is named dzd.js. So node.dzd.js logged in. There you go. So now we need to test the command. Wrong file. Okay. Hello. Oops. It's test actually. So oh guys, yeah, my internet is so slow that it's taking a lot of time to communicate with Discord, so we have to wait for the bot to come on. Alright guys, as my internet is pretty much giving issues, so I'm going to teach you guys on how to use a website called REPL. It's pretty much simple. You search REPL node JavaScript and it should come up as this. So we click on it, and there you go. We have the index.js file. In our case we need to create a file called config.json. so before we listen and copy the contents of it, simple enough. And okay, so what we need to do is copy the script here, click run, and there you go, it's installing the module. Couldn't find config.json, so now guys, ignore REPL for now. I'll cover that in the next tutorial, but for now we need to first invite a bot to the guide, and I clearly just forgot that. Anyway, to get started, you just go to general information and copy the client ID and replace the client parameter, and I'll include the link in the description so you guys can invite the bot. So there you go, anything, and authorize, beep boop boop beep. Okay, there you go, anything is here. So it's online, Ratel rock and roll, and we just do a prefix is test, and I mean exclamation mark, and the test string is test. So what we do is prefix plus test, which is this execute. Channel ID is semicolon and ID. That's how you can use the Discord the documentation to access important functions, events, and all that stuff. It has a lot of great stuff here. So let's do one simple example. Um, let's say what we can do. Say set game. We can do this. All right. It's deprecated, so we want to use this. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so we have username property here. So the username of the user. So as you can see, it's client user. So in short terms, it will be client point user point username. And let's see. And username, and my username is client point user point username. And that's all you need to do. Click save. We're going to restart the script now. CLS. Okay, test. Come on, my internet is so slow. And there you go. Channel ID is colon ID and username is anything. Guys, in the next tutorial I'm going to cover on how you can actually access the important functions and properties of the documentation in my next video, of course, so that you guys can build more advanced bots and maybe flex some people. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Everything shown here will be in the description below, so make sure to like and subscribe. You will never know when I may release my next video. So this is an example of a simple script, so that you guys can take it forward. And that's it. See you guys next time. Peace out.